Hi, this is Dan Cortopassi of TSG Multimedia. Today I'm reviewing an HO scale GP7 locomotive from Athearn Genesis. My example is decorated in the Santa Fe zebra stripe scheme, which was used between 1950 and 1960. The prototype for this engine, Santa Fe 2881, was built in November 1953. This model is from a 2011 release. At the time, the MSRP for the DCC-ready version was $179.98. The MSRP for the same model with DCC and sound installed was $279.98. Prices for the current release Genesis GP7s have gone up by approximately $10. My model is the DCC-ready version. Athearn has done a great job with the paint on this model. The zebra stripes are crisp and free of voids except at panel seams. The other markings are very sharp. I was not able to find any photos of the real ATSF 2881 from this time period, but the model is close to photos I found of other zebra stripe GP7s. The trucks have brake lines. There is plumbing on the air reservoirs. I like the photo-etched early Santa Fe style sunshades. The cab windows can be moved. The model has a complete cab interior. Pilot detail includes uncoupling levers, MU hoses, a trainline air hose, and era-correct footboards and uncoupling levers. The keep-off stencils are a nice touch. The grab irons are freestanding and very thin. I really like the MU connector plug stands. The handrails are made of a flexible plastic and are realistically thin. The number boards and class lights are not lighted. The detail on the rear of the model is similar to the front. I like the detailed brake stand. The model is equipped with McHenry scale knuckle couplers. Both couplers are at the correct height according to the Cady height gauge. The top of the model has see-through fans and delicate exhaust. The grill on the dynamic brake fan on my model is not seated correctly. It could probably be pushed down. Even so, the fans look really good. There are two separate horn castings and a Santa Fe style antenna stand on the cab roof. The short hood has steam generator equipment. The underside of the engine has sanding lines and a bell casting that is all but invisible behind the front pilot. All 8 wheels pick up current and all 4 axles are powered. All of the wheels are in gauge according to the NMRA standards gauge. The model weighs 11.8 ounces. I was able to measure 2.2 ounces of drawbar pull on my force gauge. I'm running it on DC. The model runs pretty quietly and has pretty good low-speed capability. I'll run it so we can take a look at the lights. This model has bulbs. On the inside, this model has an 8-pin DCC plug, a JST dummy plug, and it also has a light board that could be replaced with a board-style replacement decoder, so you have one of 3 ways to add DCC to this engine if you wanted to. There doesn't seem to be any provision for a speaker, however. I really like this model. It's highly detailed, seems accurate, and runs well. I'm sure fans of early Santa Fe diesels would like to have a few of these on their layouts. My final verdict is 10 out of 10 spikes.